Starting this broadcast with the latest on the Omicron variant. Now, the arrival of the Omicron variant in Britain has sent COVID infection cases spiraling. Britain has recorded the highest daily cases since the pandemic hit the country last year. As of now, over 78,000 new cases have been confirmed in the UK in just one day. The tally is about 10,000 more than the previous highest figure reported in January. This was when the Alpha variant had spread. Meanwhile, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has reiterated his call, urging everyone to get their COVID booster jabs. The Prime Minister said that the COVID hospitalizations are up by 10% nationally week on week and up by almost a third in London.
The wave of Omicron continues to roll in across the whole of our United Kingdom, with over 780,000 COVID cases today, the highest ever daily number reported.
Now, as the Omicron variant drives a new wave of illness during the Christmas holidays, England's chief medical officer has warned that the situation is likely to get worse. Chris Whitty described the current situation as two epidemics in one, since Omicron infections are rising rapidly, even as the country continues to grapple with the older Delta variant. Delta variant is still causing a large number of infections in the UK.
I am afraid there will be an increasing number of Omicron patients going into the NHS, going into hospital, going into intensive cares, and the exact ratios we don't yet know, but that there will be substantial numbers, and that will begin to become apparent, in my view, fairly soon after Christmas.
Now, Omicron already accounts for a majority of cases in London. Public health officials are expecting Omicron to become the dominant variant across the UK within days. Now, in most regions in Britain, the new variant has a doubling time of under 2 days. Health Security Agency earlier warned that Omicron had the potential to put the National Health Service in serious peril. Because the speed at which the infections are increasing, out of the total UK population of around 67 million, more than 11 million people have now tested positive for the virus. Meanwhile, more than 10,000 cases of Omicron have been recorded. One person has died after contracting the variant. Close to 150,000 people have died from COVID-19 in the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, to contain the Omicron variant, the UK government has implemented some new COVID rules. Britons have been ordered to work from home, wear masks in public places, and use vaccine passes to slow the spread of the variant. Now, amid this surge, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson praised the speed of UK's booster programme. More than 45% of adults have received the third jab. Meanwhile, the rest are getting the booster shots in the next 3 weeks. This is going to be a huge challenge for the country. The effort will require almost 1 million doses delivered in just a single day.
A great national fight back has begun, and people have responded with an amazing spirit of duty and obligation to others. And I want to say that each and every one of you who rolls up your sleeve to get jabbed is helping this national effort. And I want to thank everyone who has come forwards.